Pहिले Swatir, I come for the Satyanarayan Puja. Every year this puja takes place, invoking blessings of God, which is necessary. And I think all the doctors, nurses, and the supporting staff are all there. And I am surprised to see even a huge crowd, both of patients and devotees, Mutpa Shekar. Yes, there is a all India strike call being given, but I don't think that has basically affected the essential services in the hospital. Our doctors and nurses have been kind enough to express solidarity with something bad what has happened in West Bengal, but at the same time, I think they fully realize it is their bounden duty to look after the patients who come with great hopes to a hospital when they are sick. I compliment Dr. Sujata. Dr. Anil Umraskar also is here, who was previously here. Nice to see him as well. And all the other doctors and supporting staff, Dr. Vivek as well. And they have been doing a commendable job. I think that way, in spite of having shortage of staff, I must compliment them as well as the nurses and all supporting staff. They maintain very good services. It's so clean. It does not look like a hospital. I hope they continue to maintain this standard. As far as staff is concerned, I have been very vociferous with all powers to be, and I think the file has already moved, and we will be getting whatever shortfall is there in terms of staff. Improvement is a continuous process. आमकांय बरें इम्प्रूव जाल्लें तें हॉस्पिटल, पूण तूं पळयल्यार सद्या बरें इम्प्रूव जाल्लें आसा. आनी इम्पॉर्टंट इज एक म्हणणें आसा, मॅन बिहायंड द मशीन इज इम्पॉर्टंट. Doctors who look after the hospital are important. I think we have got very good set of doctors and nurses who look after the patients well. Therefore, there are not many complaints of that sort as you hear from other places. Once again, I wish them all the best and invoke God's blessings with today's puja, and hope things continue to be very good as they are in this sub-district hospital at Chikam.
Very important hospital, madam. तुम्ही कशा पळयता आता?
Yes, since it is catering to around 4 constituencies, there are lot of people who visit Chikale Hospital. So in view of this, we decided not to shut down the OPDs. So, but as a mark of respect and in support of the victim, we maintained 1 minute silence. That too after the OPDs were over. See, whatever happened was a very ghastly incident, and action has to be taken. We regret what happened, and hopefully there will be support for the victim, and some action will be taken against it. Thank you very
पूण
much.
हॉस्पिटल बंद ना न्ही मॅडम?
No. Hospital band now. OPD continues. Emergency department is still working. Everything is continuing as it is.